Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about the Brevo automation. So first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser and then we just have to type out brevo.com and be directed to this page. Now just click on the sign up button if you don't have an account yet. Then just have to type out right here your email and your password. You can also sign up with Google or sign up with Apple. So let's go back right here and I'm just going to click on logged in. Okay, now I'm going to sign in with my Google account and would be redirected to this page. And right here, as you can see at the left side, we have different options. So we have our contacts right here. We also have campaigns. Okay, so just make sure that you log into your account. But before that, let's go to the usage and plan. Okay, as you can see, we are currently subscribed to a free plan. Now just have to click on manage your plan and credits. Okay, and right here we have different pricing. So just go to the upgrade plan option, and right here our current plan is the free plan, so we don't have to pay for anything. Okay, so everything is free right here. Now if you would like to upgrade to starter, so you have all of these features right here, everything in free plus these features. And for the business plan, we have right here, it's $18 per month. So if you'd like to upgrade to business plan, then just click on the upgrade to business. And the last one is the enterprise. So right here, you just have to click on upgrade to enterprise. So now let's go back to our homepage right here. And let's go to our contacts. So under the contacts, we have list, segments, companies, landing pages, forms, and settings. For the campaigns, we have email campaigns, SMS campaigns, WhatsApp campaigns, web push campaigns, Facebook ads, templates, statistics, and the settings. For the automations, we have logs, email templates, and settings. Okay, so these are the automations that I have created right here. Okay, now to create your own automation or your very first automation, you just have to simply click on this create an automation option at the top right. And right here, you'd be able to see all of this automation that is built for you. So for the most popular, we have here the abandoned cart. Send a message after a contact abandons a cart. Next is the marketing activity. And then the next one is the product purchase. Send a message when a product is purchased on your website. The next one is anniversary date. So send a series of messages based on the special event or birthday. The last one is the welcome message. And right here, we have a specific categories. If you want to improve your engagement, we have welcome message, website event, marketing activity, and anniversary date. For the increased traffic, we have marketing activity, page visit, website event, and transactional activity. For the increased revenue, we have abandoned cart, website event, product purchase, page visit, and marketing activity. Now to build relationships, we have this welcome message, marketing activity, and the anniversary date. So of course, for this video, we are going to use the classic editor. We're going to start from scratch. And right here at the right side, we have to create the name of our automation and then the description. And if you'd like to allow your contacts to enter the automation more than once, so you just have to toggle the switch on right here. And then once you're done, you just have to click on the create automation options at the bottom right of your screen. Okay, so let us just wait for a few seconds. And then right here, we have to add an entry point. Okay, so this would be the trigger of our automation. Okay, so to add an entry point, we just have to simply click on this one right here. And then we have to select an entry point to our workflow. We have email activity, contact details, a contact submits a form, an event happens, or website activity. So for the email activity, we have email marketing activity and transactional email activity. For the contact details, we have anniversary, contact attributes conditions, a contact is added to a list, or a contact is in a segment. For the contact submits a form, so this one we have to create a new form right here, but we are going to skip this one, okay? So we're going to focus on how we can start using the email activity. So let us start with the email marketing activity for our entry point on this workflow. Okay, next is to start this workflow when one of your contacts. Okay, so select open, then a contact that enabled privacy protection option on their email clients such as Apple will be excluded. Now you just have to select all of our campaigns or tags. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on OK. Just remember that you can choose any kind of entry point. Okay, so this is just an example. And then the next one, you can also add another entry point right here at the right side. So let us just focus on one entry point. Next is we are going to add a step to our workflow. So we can add here send an email, send a payment request, send an SMS, or send a WhatsApp message. You can also send notifications, and we also have conditions at the bottom. So we are going to select send an email, and then we just have to select an email template or create a new email template. Okay, so just have to select it. And then if you would like to send a hidden copy of this email or want to choose one to send this email or use my event data to customize this email, so you can check those boxes. Next one is we are going to add a new step. So what would happen next is you can also start a new workflow if you want to or add a condition. For example, we would like to add a delay. So I'm going to choose add a delay, and then the workflow will wait a specific period of time before continuing. So I'm going to add a day delay right here, and then just click on continue. So after one day, what would you want to happen? Okay, so I just have to go back right here, and I would like to select maybe send a notifications. So this feature is being worked on right now, so I'm going to skip this one. Let's focus on the send a notifications. Okay, that's right. And then right here, just have to select a template. And then here is we have to type out a specific recipient. Okay, so you just have to type out their email address right here. So actually, you can remove the at icon at the very first of their email. We don't need that right here because if we are going to add that one, the email will be invalid. Okay, so let me just delete this one right here and then just click on OK. Okay, so once everything is set, we can now activate this automation. So just click on activate automation, and you'll be able to see here now the status. So let's go back to the automation section, and let's see if we have created this trigger or workflow. Okay, so here it is. So when someone trigger our automation, you'd be able to receive all of the stuff that we have created for this workflow. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.